Hey, what's up everybody? It's Fireol. You know that feeling when you check your bank account and you're actually happy? Yeah, we're gonna make that feeling your new normal. This isn't your grandpa's financial advice. This is about taking control of your money, whatever stage of life you're at. Whether you're drowning in student loans, trying to figure out this whole investing thing, or just want to retire comfortably, we're breaking down exactly what to do in your 20s, 30s, 40s, and 50s and beyond. No more financial anxiety, no more feeling lost, just a clear, actionable plan to build wealth and actually enjoy it. All right, your 20s. This is the time to build the foundation for your financial future. Think of it like planting a money tree. Do it right now, and it'll grow like crazy for decades to come. First things first, kill that debt. Student loans, credit cards, whatever's holding you back, attack it like your next avocado toast depends on it. Use the debt snowball method. Pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next. Those quick wins will keep you motivated. Next up, start investing. Yes, seriously, right now. Even small amounts add up over time thanks to this magical thing called compound interest. Think of it like this. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. It's like having your money make money while you sleep. Who doesn't want that? Don't forget about building your Oh Crap fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a high-yield savings account. Trust me, your future self will thank you when that unexpected car repair pops up. Finally, learn to budget. And no, I don't mean spreadsheets and deprivation. Try the 50/30/20 rule. 50% of your income goes to needs like rent and groceries, 30% to wants like Netflix and eating out, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. And remember, avoid lifestyle inflation. Just because you got a raise doesn't mean you need to upgrade your lifestyle. Your 30s are all about building on the strong foundation you laid in your 20s. You're probably earning more, which means it's time to step up your wealth building game. First and foremost, maximize those retirement contributions. Take full advantage of your 401k or IRA and aim to contribute at least 15% of your income. Remember that compound interest we talked about? Yeah, it's still your best friend. Now's the time to diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different asset classes like stocks, bonds, and even real estate. Remember, diversification helps manage risk and maximize returns over the long haul. You're also probably thinking about bigger life expenses like buying a house or starting a family. Make sure you've got a solid financial plan and savings in place before taking the plunge. And hey, don't forget to invest in yourself. Consider further education or certifications to boost your earning potential and open up even more opportunities. All right, you've hit your 40s, you're killing it. Now it's time to shift your focus to securing your financial future and preparing for the next chapter of your life. First things first, tackle those major debts. If you haven't already, prioritize paying off your mortgage and any other significant debts. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with being completely debt-free. Next, crank up those retirement savings. If you haven't already, max out your retirement contributions and take advantage of any catch-up contributions available. Remember, time is your most valuable asset when it comes to retirement planning. Now's the time to protect what you've worked so hard to build. Consider life insurance to protect your family and estate planning to ensure your assets are distributed according to your wishes. Finally, don't forget to review your investments. Make sure your portfolio is still aligned with your risk tolerance and retirement goals. Congrats! You've made it to the retirement planning home stretch. Your 50s and beyond are all about transitioning into this exciting new phase of your life. First and foremost, finalize those retirement plans. Decide when and how you want to retire, and make sure your finances are aligned with your vision. Next, keep maximizing those savings. Take advantage of any catch-up contributions available to boost your retirement nest egg. Now's the time to start thinking about reducing risk in your investment portfolio. Shift towards more conservative investments to protect your hard-earned savings. Finally, don't forget about healthcare. Consider long-term care insurance and factor in potential healthcare costs as you plan for retirement. And there you have it, a clear roadmap to master your money at every stage of life. Remember, it's never too early or too late to take control of your finances and build the future you deserve. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.